Hello everyone. A social post we saw recently suggests the United States should be looking to Vietnam to help solve the coronavirus crisis. Here, take a look. Vietnam was the first country to fully contain SARS and COVID-19 with no deaths and developed a quick test kit in 1 month that the WHO says should have taken 4 years. WHO is now consulting with Vietnam to get help in the global crisis. Of course, this isn't in our news. There are a lot of aspects to this claim, so we'll take it one at a time. SARS was a virus that broke out in China in 2002 and spread worldwide. After a keyword search in the World Health Organization's website, the WHO stated in 2003 that Vietnam becomes the first country to be removed from the list of countries with local transmission of SARS. So yes, Vietnam was the first country to contain the spread of SARS. According to the WHO, as of March 31st, Vietnam has 203 total confirmed cases of coronavirus, but no deaths. But the post said that the coronavirus in Vietnam is contained, and that's not the case. Vietnam is continuing to report new cases. On March 27th, for example, 12 new confirmed cases were reported. For the quick test kit claim, we decided to do another keyword search. All of the sources that popped up were Vietnamese or Asian sources. According to the Asian News Network, the Vietnam Military Medical University and VA Corporation collaborated on a COVID-19 test kit that can deliver test results in a little more than an hour with the same accuracy as the WHO's test kits. The Vietnam Investment Review added that the research and testing for the test kit began January 15th and was finished by early February. They had successfully developed a test kit in less than a month. We're not sure where the claim that WHO says it takes 4 years to develop a test kit comes from, but that appears to not be accurate. The US, for instance, developed its own test kit in weeks. When we do a keyword search, nothing related shows up. We rate this post as needs context. The claims that Vietnam was the first country to contain SARS and developed a quick test kit are mostly legit, but this post also has some factual problems. See anything else suspicious? Tag us with #IsThisLegit. See you next time.